I went to the Asian market and I found these little crabs and I wanted to try them out. I've never had these before. I'm Korean, but I don't think I'm this Korean. We'll see. I asked the employees at the market if you're supposed to just eat the whole thing. They said, oh yeah. I got my baby wipes ready. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, these are funky looking. Let me wipe some of the sauce off so you can see this. It's like a whole mini crab. It's got a lot of red sauce, which is probably the typical Korean red sauce. The sauce is good, spicy. Here goes. Actually, that's really good. Maybe I am that Korean. Yeah, that's really good. Most of the legs are off. Now let's try the body. Yeah, these are pretty good. I don't know, I just get scared, like, my Korean mom, she eats the squid that moves around. I can't do it. These aren't raw that I know of. I think they're cooked. They looked cooked. Pretty good. You should try them.